What is Gtarcade? Gtarcade is known for its mobile games, but they don't provide their own official Android emulator. You might want to use popular Android emulators like Bluetax or Nox Player to play Gtarcade games on your computer. Just download one of these emulators, install it, and then search for the games you want to play within the emulator's interface. Virtual Android environment. Emulators provide a virtual environment on your computer that mimics an Android device, allowing you to run Android apps and games. Multiple instance support. Emulators let you run multiple instances of Android simultaneously, which is useful for multitasking or playing multiple games at once. Customizable controls. Emulators usually allow you to customize controls, including keyboard mapping, gamepad support, and touch controls. High performance. Emulators strive to offer high performance to ensure smooth gameplay and app usage. Integration with PC hardware. Emulators often allow integration with your computer's hardware, like webcam, microphone, and graphics card. Synchronization with mobile. Emulators let you sync your mobile device with the emulator, enabling you to access apps and files from your phone on your computer. Screen recording and capture. Many emulators offer built-in tools for recording or capturing screenshots and videos of your Android applications. Rooting options. Emulators allow you to root the virtual Android device, giving you more control and access to advanced features. Cloud save and backup. Certain emulators offer cloud storage for saving your progress and settings, making it easier to switch between devices. Resource allocation. You can allocate resources like RAM and CPU cost to the emulator to optimize its performance based on your computer's capabilities. Remember that features can vary between different Android emulators, so it's a good idea to explore the documentation or user guides for the specific emulator you're using to understand its capabilities fully. Android emulators serve various purposes and have a wide range of uses. Here are some common ways people use Android emulators. Gaming. Emulators allow you to play Android games on your computer, often with better performance and larger screens than on mobile devices. App testing and development. Developers use emulators to test and debug their Android applications before releasing them to the public. Productivity apps. You can run productivity apps like Microsoft Office, note-taking apps, and communication tools on your computer for a more comfortable and efficient experience. Social media. Emulators let you access social media apps like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok on a larger screen while multitasking on your computer. Messaging apps. Emulators are useful for messaging apps like WhatsApp, allowing you to type and respond to messages using your computer's keyboard. Content creation. Users leverage emulators to create content for social media platforms or YouTube by recording tutorials, gameplay, or app reviews. Education. Educational apps and language learning tools can be used more effectively on a computer, especially for tasks that involve a lot of typing or reading. Mapping and navigation. Emulators with location simulation can be used for testing location-based apps and services. Data transfer and linking. Emulators enable seamless transfer of data, such as photos, files, and documents, between your computer and mobile device. Browsing and research. You can use emulators to access websites, search engines, and research tools on a larger screen. Entertainment apps. Emulators let you stream videos, movies, and TV shows from apps like Netflix, Disney, and YouTube. Security testing. Security experts use emulators to test and analyze apps for vulnerabilities and potential threats. Gaming apps on older PCs. If your computer doesn't meet the requirements of certain games, emulators can help you run those games smoothly. Remember that while emulators offer versatility, they should be used within legal and ethical boundaries. Always make sure you're using emulators for legitimate purposes and respecting the terms and conditions of the apps you're running.